Kalahati lang ng marketing efforts mo should be online. Yan ang advice sa akin ng business mentor ko. And when I learned about Facebook ads and other ads, also about online selling and the many platforms where we can sell, I totally focused all my efforts online. Until I met my mentor and coach who opened my eyes and showed me how wrong I was. So for us, owners of small businesses, hindi lang daw online marketing ang way para makakuha tayo ng customers. Marami pang mga traditional methods. Siyempre, TV ads may be too expensive for us, pero baka naman kaya na natin na mag-radio ads. How about yung walang kamatayan na brochures, calling cards or business cards, sponsorships, giveaways at iba pa. This is why we went back to distributing flyers sa paligid ng store namin. And sumali kami uli sa mga community events and pop-up stores. Nagulat kami sa dami ng mga taong pumunta sa amin at nag-inquire. Kuminsan, dahil subsub na tayo sa trabaho, sa business natin, madami tayong alam na nakakalimutan na natin, di ba? Iba talaga pag may mga mentors tayo sa business and even in life. Kaya pala, hindi dapat kalimutan ang traditional marketing, lalo na kung local businesses tayo. Try at least one of these methods and be business-minded, Pinoy.